Elephants can smell water up to 3 miles away. They live in matriarchal societies with strong social bonds that endure for decades. Elephants grieve at the death of a family member or friend. Touching is an important form of communication among elephants. Individuals greet each other by stroking or wrapping their trunks. An elephant's trunk is a multitasking instrument used for breathing, siphoning and spraying water, smelling, touching, grasping and making sound. An elephant can lift up to 770 pounds with her trunk, but it can also be used for delicate tasks like wiping an eye. When underwater, an elephant uses his or her trunk as a snorkel.